Let's say you are a breakout trader or momentum trader who look for strong stocks to take a trade on the next trading day. But NSE has over 5,000 stocks. Do you think is it possible to search all the stocks one by one to shortlist the breakout stocks? It's highly impossible, right? Even if you take F1 category, it has over 240, 250 stocks. Do you think is it possible to scan all the 240 stocks every day? Hey everyone, this is Indrajit Chantraj. I'm a full-time trader and author of 7 best-selling books. Today I'm going to share one free screener which checks all the NSE stocks, especially Nifty 50, NSE F&O, NSE large cap, mid cap, small cap, and shortlist only the breakout stocks. Okay, then if you check this particular article, anyway, I've given the link to this article in the description box. So if you click on this particular article, I have explained how to use this article, this breakout screener, and also there is a link to download the breakout screener. Okay, so this is the link to download this breakout screener. This is completely free. So if you click on this, it will open up the screener which is stored in the server copy. Okay, so don't try to edit this. You have given only the viewing access. So what you can do is you can select file and you can select a copy. You can save a copy in your a local version. Okay, in your system, local copy. So then you will be able to edit this. So after doing this, for example, this is the screener. Okay, this is the screener. It looks like this. So my suggestion is, before using the screener, first read all the instructions carefully which is there in the first page. Okay, so please read all the instructions carefully, and please note this screener doesn't work with Mac systems because we will not be able to run all the macros in Mac systems, and it also doesn't work well with the older versions of MS Office. So if you have a 2010 and below MS Office, this screener will not work because of the advanced macro code. And also please enable macro in the Excel sheet, then you will be able to run this particular code. And please note, you need to run the this particular screener only after 550. For example, what this screener does is, it fetches the data from NSE server. After the market completion, it fetches the data from NSE server, and then it runs its own breakout logic, and then it shortlists all the stocks actually. So NSE will place the data in the server by 5:30, 5:45. So my suggestion is you run the screener only after 5:45 or 6 p.m. is best. And by any chance, if you find data not found error here, means there is an issue with the NSE server. Okay, you need to wait for some more time to run the screener. I'll repeat once again. If you find data not found error, means there is an issue with the NSE server and you need to wait for some more time to run the script. So that's all about the instructions. So basically, you can see, you can change the date here. Okay, so for example, I'm recording this video on Sunday, so I will try to find out all the breakout stocks which are there on Friday, for example 10th. Okay, 10th December. So just click on this. What? Okay, if you click on this, see it is the screener. I have run the screener for 9th, that is on Thursday. For Friday, I will make it 10th. So I will make it 10th. See here, 10th December 2021. So date is very clear, and all the data remains same. Initially, if you want, whenever there is a change with the NSE script, you can do this fetch script list and clear script list. But I feel it is not really necessary because that happens very rarely, and this Excel sheet has already updated with all the stocks. So if I select start analysis, it is going to connect with the server and downloads the data, and it will shortlist the breakout stocks. So before doing this, I can also do clear data. What the clear data does is, it clears out all the data, old data, and then it will update with the new data. For example, I'm going to select the clear data, which means it cleared all the old data, isn't it? Now, if I select start analysis, it is going to, I'm selecting it, so it is going to fetching the data and it is shortlisting the steps. Please note down the running time here. I will update here once the screener completes all the fetching and shortlisting thing. It will not take more than 5 minutes. And 4 minutes are over, it is still running the script. We'll update in some time. It finished analyzing all the stocks. It took around 4 minutes 47 seconds. Usually it will not take that much of time. It will take only around 3 to 4 minutes. I guess today is Sunday, so that is why maybe the internet is slow. That's why it has taken more time. But still 4 minutes 47 seconds to shortlist all the breakout stocks among Nifty 50, Nifty F&O, Nifty mid cap, small cap is too good actually. It's a very less time actually. Okay. So now it has shortlisted all the stocks. So instead of checking everything, there is a filter here, breakout filter. You just click on this, and if you click on this, it shows everything, unselect everything and select only the breakout stocks. Okay. If you select this, it shortlists only the breakout stocks. Okay. Can you see these are the only breakout stocks? So please listen to me very carefully. All these stocks may not be the proper or accurate breakout stocks. So that is why we need to check the charts manually, and then you can decide whether it is a genuine or proper breakout stocks or not as per your definition of the breakout. But still it saves a lot of time. Instead of searching all the stocks, it is better to search only these many stocks, right? It takes only 5 to 10 minutes of time. For example, I'll click on Asian Paint. If I click on Asian Paint, the charts will open up automatically. It is a daily chart. It opens up automatically, and you can see whether it is a genuine breakout or not. So in this case, it is a genuine breakout, right? If you draw a trend line like this, if you draw a trend line like this, it is a breakout. Okay. See, this is a genuine breakout. In this case, this is a triangle breakout actually. So this is a genuine breakout. And if I look at any other stocks, for example, maybe I will look for Grasim. I'm looking at Grasim. So Grasim is not a breakout stock. Okay, it is not giving a good breakout. This is very small. This is not a powerful breakout. So this is not a perfect example. So in this way, you can check all the stocks manually. For example, there are so many things, right? JSW Steel, SBIN. There are so many things. If you click on any one of the stocks, it will open up the chart. Then you can see whether it is a genuine breakout stocks or not. Again, this is very close to breakout. See, it is ready for the breakout. So this can be considered to check the activities for tomorrow. For example, if the market opens up here and if it shows open low or open test drive up, easily you can plan a long trade, right? So this is the advantage of this particular screener. So okay. So please note this particular screener lists only the strong stocks which are ready to break out on the upside. Okay. So we are still working on the screener which shortlist only the weak stocks which are ready to go down. So if you want that screener also, please comment below. We will try to provide it as soon as possible. And if you need any, I think that's all about this particular screener, because this is very easy to use, and it gives all the information also. For example, it gives whether it is a candle is bullish or not, what is the volume, average. If you want to still screen it further, you can select this and you can select only the good volume. Then it shortlist very small things. See, breakout, green candle, it's bullish candle, volume is good. You can check only these many stocks, right? So this is how this particular screener works, and moreover, this screener is free to use. We are not charging anything for this. Now this screener is completely free. So after using this screener, you can also check the trading guides. I've given many trading guides which are free here. For example, free online course for beginners, free trading book, and option trading strategies, top 10 books on stock market. If you click on this, it will open up and it gives all the useful information. And if you need any clarification, you can read the instruction. Okay. So to know more about breakout trading, you can buy this book by clicking on this. So this is one thing. And if you have any doubts or if you stuck somewhere, okay, please feel free to reach me. You can write down to my email ID. My email ID is indrajit.s@gmail.com. Anyway, I will mention this in the in the description box as well. I will give the link to the screener, and I will also mention my email ID in the description box. I hope this video is useful, friends. Please share with your friends, and please make use of this particular screener. Thank you.